Hello Sister Woods, it's Alexis Pofferman. This is my video for Enhancement 4. I am a little late, but I wanted to get it in anyway. So I'm just going to start with the validation CSS. There it is. I'm pretty sure we only have to do it for one of the pages. So the HTML, it gives me a couple errors that I've had for a few weeks. I'm not sure if it affects the code, but I'm still waiting on an answer from you if I need to fix them or if it's okay if I leave them like that. Here's the new category one, and it has the same errors and warnings as well. And let's see, the add new product. Here's the validation, and then this one, it gives me a couple different ones, like this step one that we added so that it would allow us to do the decimals. I'm not sure why that's wrong. And then there's four labels that it marks as errors. I don't know why. I wish I knew so I could fix them and it wouldn't show. Okay, so now the demonstration. I'm gonna refresh this so you can see. So I'm gonna add teacher now. So here it is, add category. Welcome to the product management page. I'm not sure why it says this. Let me just go ahead. Actually, I'm pretty sure that's what it's supposed to say. So if we go back here, teacher is right there. So it worked. Now going to adding a new product. Let's see, I'm gonna go back to inventory, and the last one is new product. I did try 3 times. So now we're gonna change the number to 23. So that way we know which one we just added. So here it is. 23 I said. 555 Houston, UI metal, add products. Congratulations, product was added. Let's see over here if it was 23. There it is. And now let's try without filling these out. Please complete all the information for new item. Double check, blah, blah, blah. Oh, and I just remembered that I didn't check for leaving the new category empty. So it says this. So I think that's it. I hope that I'm not missing anything. So thank you so much and goodbye.